Today, on the Neon Joystick, let's play Rock and Roll Racing. Fantastic game for the Super Nintendo. Let's go! Begin the race.
Let the carnage begin! Vipers about to blow! Rip was lost out there! Vipers is about to blow! Last lap! Rip was lost out there! Lights him up! Scores a first place knockout! Vipers finishes second! Rip!
Another race with the Blues Brothers music.
The stage is set. The green flag drops. Scores a first place knockout. Rip. Race begins. Let's take the left. Press the button. It's Bobby Rip. Press the block out there. Last lap. Press the button. Watch him up. Only first place knockout. Vipers. The stage is set. The green flag drops. Trent was lost out there. Scores a first place knockout. Vipers. Let the carnage begin! Let the carnage begin! Rip is about to blow! Rip fades into last! Viper is dominating the race! gets lost out there. Shred fades into last. Cat jams into first. Viper is about to blow. Cat fades into last. Cat powers up.
Well, as we can see, the Super Nintendo version is way better sounding. It has the processing power not to just randomly drop audio, but when you listen to the Sega Genesis version, definitely more pronounced bass guitar, and you couldn't see it with your eyes, but I could feel it. Much better control in the Genesis version. Never actually knew there was a Genesis version. I actually just looked it up and decided to give it a shot. Lots of fun. Every planet you visit has a different kind of theme to, you know, the area around the track. And when you beat the game, which I have done with no cheats or anything back in the day, you just go right back to the first level. So, kind of lame, but rock and roll is my business. Business is good.